proclaim nang hindi tapos ang report number 3. So kung sakasakaling makatapos tayo ng canvas ngayong araw na to, asahan nyo that the report number 3 should come up also today.
Thank you, Chair. Ms. Sandra Aguinaldo,
Come out today.
GMA7.
Chair, sundan ko na lang po yun. Di ba nga po nasabi-sabi ni Attorney Rex na at the end of the canvas, mag-generate din naman ng result yung CCS. So, pwede po kayang ma-overtake noon yung mga canvassing result 1, 2, 3, ganon?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Hindi po. Ang 3 I will only be available after everything had been canvassed and audited. So, I gave the instruction kanina sa committee. Sabi ko, if we are able to, tingnan nyo na lang kung ano mangyayari after. Sa canvassing, mahirap i-preempt yung canvassing natin. Basta sana pag pumasok lahat ngayon, dapat may report number 3 and then may summary which will now contain the ranking in accordance with the votes obtained, which will now be the basis of the proclamation of the National Board of Canvassers. We have to include kasi in the certificates of proclamation the votes obtained by the candidates. Kinakailangan kasi i-reflect natin.
Okay, so talagang may 1, 2, 3, maglalabas muna ng 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Dahil sa proseso na yun.
Yes po.
Chair, dahil po sa TV, malapit din kami mag-live around 6:30. So ano po yung scenario na makikita namin?
We will resume. After resuming, then sabi ng aming mga tauhan sa field, sabi rin ng mga embahada at konsulada that they already sent, transmitted the results. So kung naandyan yan, the CCS will generate the COCs and then we will canvass immediately. Basta pumasok lahat sa CCS natin. As to whether pumasok o hindi pa natin nakikita eh. Kasi nga, pagka-generate mo lang yon, tsaka mo pwedeng tingnan. But we have coordination, for example, as the last night, Maguindanao del Norte, sa Greece, for example, na ano natin kahapon. Tapos Maguindanao del Norte, yung mismong Iligan City, yung mismong Cagayan, so yung lahat ng yan nag-communicate na sa atin ng mga provincial board na napadala na nila as of last night pa lang. So pagkatapos nun, mag-canvas tayo, let's see what will happen after that, and basta medyo gagabihin tayo ng konti today.
Chair, meaning at the end of it all, it will not be shown like instantly on the screen.
Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Kinakailangan mo nang i-audit din.